We love you.
Thank you very
Okay.
much.
So wants me to punch him right here, right now.
That would be very nice for the video.
The song में से नाच रहा, I'm like, oh. Because initially they were like, stay away from daughter, I'll kill you.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we have with us Mrs. Fariha Mughal and Mr. Mohammed Sohail, who both of them has broken the barrier that is there. They have broken the taboo concept and they have come together all the way from Islamabad to Kerala or vice versa to join together and form their love. And that's something which we have not seen much, and we are so proud of you, and we thought it is an honor to have you with us right now.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here with you right now and talk about this.
It's really sweet. Thank you so much.
And again, like how everyone would want to know, when and how did you guys meet?
So we were actually working together, and I think it was just destiny. The moment I saw him, I would on record say I was actually smitten, like right there and then. Found him really nice, found him really good looking.
I think so. It was like funny from my side. It was funny. So we were in a sort of company when we had some really important meetings, really high-end meetings, because we were into acquisitions and all of that. So it was a very big office on Sheikh Zayed Road, like 10,000 square foot office.
Okay.
And right in the front was a meeting room. So we used to sit there and have this serious discussions, and ekdam se there was this like and we were in between the meeting, okay, we're discussing with investors, and we are like, who is this? And I say, and we call the office by, who is this? And he's like, sir, ek ladki hai Punjabi, wo aise hasti hai. Kyun?
Yeah.
But why? And so I was the silent, serious guy. And then when we started noticing like, who is this? And so she was this crowd attracting all friends around her, gappe marna, hitting jokes. She was like one of the dudes, like one of the guys. And I was like, who is he? He's more of a guy than a girl.
Initially, yeah.
So like, that person in college, ek banda hota hai that, sabka dost hai and types, she was that type, lunch break mein all the people in the office were going, sab chai pee rahe and like gappe maar rahe types, and I was like, kaun hai ye,
Yeah, so that's how we
that's how so that was like, it was a very jab we met sort of moment, where I was this serious guy all about making money and all, I don't care about emotions type, and she was this pure Punjabi, and sort of that.
Yeah, it actually happened. I think the people who were in our office, they wouldn't even believe.
They wouldn't believe.
They're like,
no chance.
No chance
koi
in
chance.
hell.
No, koi chance.
Look at you, look at him, and then look at the geographics.
It's impossible.
Who took the first step? Who was that? I mean, I understand you became friends.
I think it was me.
It's very complicated. I would like to say you.
For the camera, or is that the truth?
No, yes, of course, because it's still, we are from that era where for a girl it's hard to kind of, and especially with these dynamics where he's from India and I'm from Pakistan. So what happened is that he made his decision. Funny thing, and he was like, I'm just gonna go and talk to my parents, and I was like, really?
Oh.
And I think so that was kind of an expression from your side.
Yeah. So it was nothing casual. You just directly went into that serious ship.
Oh no. We started hanging out, and then I started enjoying the whole thing, because it's like opposites attract, they say, right?
Yeah.
So I really enjoyed this non-stop chatter. I started getting used to it, because then I was really happy with my silence. And then I started getting bored with silence because of her. I was really happy in my world, silent world and everything.
My God, he was so boring. I tell him, I'm like, if I didn't come to your life,
I was very happy.
You would be like devastated.
Then, it's like when you're so used to every day, I started hanging out with her friends and crowd. And they were so loud that after a certain period of time, when I was alone, I felt something was missing. I'm like, where is the noise?
At a later stage of the interview, I'm going to ask you if you really enjoy that chatter now, but that I'll save towards the last part of the interview. So how did you break it down to the family, and how did they respond initially?
This is a very
I am pretty
hilarious
sure it
incident.
would not have been easy initially, at least.
You
Like-
tell your India ka experience.
No, I'm going to tell the Pakistan experience because that's the hilarious one.
Okay.
So
No.
her parents come to Dubai.
Wait, no, before that.
Huh.
So, if we rewind back, how did we break it down to the parents? His mother is a goddess. Seriously. She's like, she was like, if you are happy, I'm happy. Okay. However, when you come to the Punjab, it's all like, I'm going to die and I'm going to kill you.
Yeah.
Type of a
Ah,
situation.
See, because initially they were like, stay away from daughter, I'll kill you.
It was horrible initially, but then by the end of the day, he and me both were prepared to kind of face them.
Yeah.
And I convinced my parents that just once meet him, the decision is yours. And then they met him.
Okay, let me tell you, I have to say this. This is
your
one of the
part.
most hilarious incidents of my life. So, first time I'm going to meet up. The parents come to Dubai, they're staying at a hotel. She's like, it's time pe aa jao. These guys hate me.
Hate. They were
Hate. Let me say my part.
They were scared.
They hate me. Okay.
God, no.
So they want to kill me, rip me into pieces. Like I apparently I've manipulated their favorite daughter. She's the eldest daughter. This is like wo aanko ka tara types. Okay. And I knock the door. I open it. So Faria opens the door. Okay. Her parents are staring at me. Faria is looking like, left, right.
My mom started crying.
Her mom started crying. Faria palpitated. She ran into the toilet, locked herself.
And you're standing there.
I'm standing there. She locked herself in the toilet. I don't know whether I should run outside or I should go forward and meet the parents. Okay. But then I'm like,
I told him, ek jhapad wapad pad gaya. I mean, like, if you get hit once, you
So-
have to just bear with it then.
so
I was just
called-
thinking from your dad's point of view, right? Your dad would be like, they've already taken Kashmir, now they're taking a daughter also.
So then I was like, all that Shah Rukh Khan in me, all Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge and everything, was getting into me, and I was like, that's it. So I went all Karan Johar on them. I went on my, I went on literally on my knees in front of the mother because she was crying. And I think, I don't know about everyone, but especially we South Indians have this special thing for mothers, like we have that, right?
Yes.
We have that. I mean, of course, the whole world has it, but I believe that we have some little bit extra. Like we have that thing, Like till date, my mom loves me to bitch and I love to bit, and we don't care about the rest of the world. We have that bond, So I go down on my knees. I'm like, देखिए, आपकी बेटी है, okay? I can't do English on this.
No, you should.
It's so awkward.
So that everybody can understand
emotion will die.
Yeah, no, it will not die.
Can I say in Hindi?
Yeah,
I'll say it in Hindi.
we can manage.
Thank
Not
you.
an issue.
I have the host's permission. I'm like, देखो आपकी बेटी है, ठीक है? कोई आपसे आपकी बेटी नहीं ले रहा. अगर आपकी इजाजत है तभी होगा, ठीक है? कोई नहीं ले रहा आपकी बेटी. And you've raised her so well. I'm also a well-raised boy. No one is, and it's purely based on your permission. There's nothing else. I'm a very old school person. There's no fight here. There's no war here. Today, if you say I'm taking my daughter and leaving, I'll say, can I please have a dinner with you guys and you guys can leave. No problem. ठीक है, आप लोग यहाँ तक आए हो, मेरे साथ एक dinner कर ले बस, ठीक है? And then I'm like, you guys can research about me, check about my parents, come to my office, speak about me. If you are convinced, then you can think about it. So they really liked the way I handled them. then I went to her father. I'm like, Dekhiye, for me, parents mean the world. I'm raised that way. You know, in Kerala, there's a statement, Mada Pida Guru Devam.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
It's like Mada Pita comes first, and I would never ever hurt parents, teachers. God, you know, because they're that level.
I actually came out listening that there is laughter going on. I'm like, okay, my mother was crying and I expected some other kind of an image. And what is this going on?
Because after I got a pulse and everything is fine, I'm like, Fari, aaja toilet se. And then she comes out, everyone starts laughing, you know.
Yeah, and they're laughing and they are like, so it, of course, till he actually came to my house in Pakistan, there were some unsaid knots.
So was there
Otherwise,
an
there was-
elder brother who came and told, if something happens to my sister, I will make you pay? Did that dialogue happen?
Actually, I have a younger brother, and he since he was younger, so he was like, I was like, just Jiju, say
Jiju.
hello, pay respect, kalas. And my sister was working here with me, so she also was very. She knew that he's a nice guy and he's a good guy. So I think that all the myths that people think sitting, it's very convenient to give a judgment just by looking what's going on in a box, what a person in news is saying. So we actually ventured into the social media also to kind of bust all these myths, because we have for the last 5 years we have seen and felt everything up close.
This one of the fears that your parents or his parents would have had is that, like how you mentioned earlier about the grandchild. Will the grandchild be a Pakistani or will it be a Indian? So how did you guys make that decision? What is the status
Actually, we had no clue. We didn't even decide about it. Our parents used to ask us very often, but we were like, we will take it as it comes. So when my son was born, it was by default that he, for Pakistan and India, I think by default the nationality is the same as your father.
Fathers, yes, okay.
Father's nationality. And me and my family was very comfortable and very supportive about it, to be honest. So my son has Indian nationality, and I'm very in fact, which may, I just look at his Indian passport and it feels like I'm holding an Indian passport of my son in my hand.
Actually, till date, actually the other day I saw her doing that. You know, she's looking at the passport and she's looking at her passport.
I'm like, wow. Because it's, because nobody would imagine this, right? No, really, it is still it's like, a bit of like, because when I was growing up, I never imagined in my wildest dreams that I'll be holding an Indian passport with my son's name on it.
This is something that is there in everyone's mind. Tell me what happens when a cricket match is there in your house. It's between India and Pakistan. What happens there? Is
What
there
do you call it?
War. Akraman.
That happens.
Nowadays there is no husband-wife and all. Then when India-Pakistan comes. Proper India-Pakistan.
See, and I'll tell you something, okay? So I am a cricket fanatic from a very, like every other Pakistani.
And I enjoy irritating her.
Yeah. His problem with the...
So I was not a cricket fanatic, but after this thing, I started enjoying it. I used to go like and then Dushman ki dekho jo what lovely. And mostly we're with friends and all that, right? And she in front of the friends, she's like, अगर हम जीत गए मैं तुम्हारा शर्ट फाड़ूंगी अंडे फेंकूंगी
ये एडिट कर देना
and I like चल
no, okay, this is not going on here, so I'll tell you, okay, from here we take it. So shut up. So I'll tell you something. So unfortunately, the years we got married initially, there were some matches going on, and start में, no, shut up. And start में And start me once
You were
or
awesome,
twice.
man.
India won.
Once or twice.
And he wants me to punch him right here, right now.
That
So
that would be very nice for the video. If you can do that, I'll be the most happiest. And that will be the.
It's like those memes. क्या आप अपने शोर को 1 मिनट के लिए मारे ठप?
so he was like dancing around and irritating, and that day I told him, listen, any day Pakistan wins,
Someday.
you are dead.
मौका 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 मौका.
What's wrong with you? Stop it.
I'm an expert in irritating. I love irritating her. Oh my
Oh my
god.
god. And then it happened actually.
There was this.
Pakistan won.
There's this place called Maidan Hotel. Over there, they play this India Pakistan cricket matches on the rooftop, and they have DJs. So at every 4, every
Bias.
6,
Bias DJs.
every 4, every 6, they'll play such tracks also. Dushman ki dekho jo waatila ta ta ta. And so there was an entire like gang over there, and सबके सामने मैं से नाच रहा. I'm like, oh.
Like, आज मैं यहाँ से अकेले जाने वाली. I'm gonna go alone back home today. Somebody is gonna get cracked and kill
So
him.
by the end, I've irritated her so much. She's like, don't touch me. You are nobody to me. Stay away from me.
That was bad. Yeah, cricket is a nightmare.
Cricket is awesome.
It's nightmare
I love cricket.
because I am so
She made me a cricket fan.
my blood boils when cricket is happening and everything. I'm like, can we just like go our separate ways when it's the cricket season? So
Cricket is fun. Cricket
yeah,
is
it's hilarious.
Other than cricket, is there something else where India Pakistan comes up in your household on a regular basis?
fish curry. Fish curry.
Curry, food.
Fish curry.
Fish curry. Fish curry.
So she
No,
doesn't
not
prepare fish
food.
curry, or you make.
She doesn't prepare fish curry.
No.
Okay.
And I'm a fish curry. I'm a fish loyalist, and she's a non-fish person. She's not fishy.
I'm not.
So when I
No,
make
it's
fish
like-
curry, she's like, keep that away from me. And I'm like, what the hell is wrong with
No,
you? It's fish curry.
it's like I can have fish
Fried fish.
in certain.
Huh.
That's it.
I have like a developed taste for like
A
fish
few
and chips
types.
and maybe fried fish
Fish
in
and chips,
yeah, like
the Gora fish,
Yeah,
little
and like-
fried fish,
and like the fried fish
It's like little
with
balls,
the
and like,
Pakistani masalas and all, but not
like-
like the typical fish curry
like-
that he eats.
like the fish fingers,
Yeah.
like the Gora fish, not the local fish and all that. Yeah.
It's a fact. How much ever you talk like that, it's a fact. No, a lot of my friends also from Pakistan eat fish curry. Can you believe? I discovered it a couple of months back.
Now, because luckily you're a Mal, you'll understand the bond we have with fish curry
Ah.
and rice.
Yes,
You
yes.
understand it.
Oh, yeah.
Kappa fish curry.
Kappa
rice,
fish curry is
fish
an
curry.
emotion.
It's
not
an
even a
emotion.
plate, it's an
It's
emotion.
not even a food, it's an emotion. Yes, he connects with me. She won't understand it.
I don't like fish curry. I've never eaten fish curry. However,
Huh?
I like so many other.
She likes like dosha, puttu, kadla.
Yeah, chicken
Uh,
chatti curry.
chicken
I
chatti
love
curry, appam.
dosa, appam. Oh my god, I love all these foods.
Fish curry, I don't know. Today also I made fish curry. So I cook my fish curry. And I was like, egg spoon khalo, egg spoon. Zuhair,
However, the little with your
Yeah.
South Indian blood, he had fish with
yeah.
rice.
So today,
My son had it. I was surprised.
and I was
I'm
so
like,
happy. It was like that, that. Rari, rari. Oh, rari, ro.
he actually
I was like all emotional. My son, oh, mera ladla. Oh, he grew up so big. He's having his fish curry.
actually this happened. I was like, can you just feed him also?
So can you imagine? She was like, "Acha, don't give him the fish. Only give that curry and the rice." I'm like, what's wrong with you? The fish. It's the fish.
I was
Did you guys
like
get to
having
go to-
other.
Did you guys get to go to India after the marriage? Like, did you visit Kerala?
No, we didn't go to Kerala till now.
Is that there in the plan?
We are having plans, and of
Yeah.
course there are plans. Definitely, is there a point? Probably, how hectic work life is over here. And
Yeah.
ഒരു vacation കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ല.
Yeah,
So
you
I've
won't
been
get that
working
feeling here.
non-stop.
That's an issue here. I understand.
So every time, every year, like next year, if a cold hit you know.
Yeah.
So other than
I really want to see Kerala
no
because
restriction, just purely work reasons.
Yeah.
I've been
But-
so
This is something I
I've
don't
only
know
told
about. So I'm asking. Visa is it an issue? Getting the visa to go there.
we will know when we go there.
No, it's difficult, but not an issue. A lot of people go. We know a lot of couples, a lot of Pakistanis who have gone to India, so that shouldn't be an issue.
And
And it's the
especially
same in
if you're
Pakistan
married.
also. Going to Pakistan, is it a big thing when an Indian passport person goes there? Like
No, it's possible. It's a little more difficult than other nationalities,
okay,
but it's possible.
maybe going
Because
from Dubai.
No, like for example, when you are in a relationship like this and you have a kid also,
I could be a spy.
it becomes in your
I
dreams.
could.
You wish, baby, you wish.
All Arnold Schwarzenegger movies and all see, right?
You wish.
You don't know.
I think you wish you should.
Awesome footage for us.
You should be worried about your life.
You're so
That-
tanga, baby. One day I also wanted to meet a tanga. She's like, it should be innocent or something. I'm like, yeah, you're so tanga, baby.
Not dare talk a word of Malayalam to anybody that he has taught me. No, I know him too well.
That's prashna.
I know him too well.
So in social media, I didn't want to give the gali, so I started teaching her decent words like tanga, manga, chakka, and all that. You know,
That's normal stuff.
that is fair.
So-
Very good words.
In this 5 years, have you? I mean, can you both understand each other's language, like Urdu and Malayalam? You guys can understand.
I understand Urdu. I understand Punjabi. I understand all the gali very well.
I can relate.
But she has not understood Malayalam, but that's worked for my benefit. Why? So now when I get angry, I'll vent it out in Malayalam. So
And
there's no
then-
fight.
And I'll be like,
അവൾക്കൊരു കോപ്പ് മനസ്സിലായില്ല.
no. And
So
I
in a very calm face, I'll be like, "Ready, നിന്നൊക്കെ ഞാനിങ്ങനെ കൊല്ലും."
With a loving
and
face,
I-
you'll give all the gali.
and I'll be like, same to you, back to you, all to you. Tata bye bye. I don't care. I'm going to sleep. That's it.
And I'm like, baby, I've been saying all good words and all.
I'm like, I don't care. Still, same to you, back to you, all to you.
Take it and
Back.
go.
Take it and go.
Take it and go.
Yeah. So yeah, no, Malayalam is actually a difficult language for
Yeah,
me.
it is.
It'll take me years.
No, in fact, I mean,
don't think
I
I will.
understand that.
I don't think
Say la.
No, I will not.
Yeah,
Param.
param
Yeah.
are things I don't think people, if you're not born into
I'll
it.
ever be able
Yeah.
to.
So when I told one time chali, he's like chadi, chadi alla chali, chadi. That's the problem. Malayalam is too hard. It was very difficult language. Only the elite know Malayalam, right?
So what kind of films do you watch? I mean, you can't watch the regional films, right?
So while I was studying back in Pakistan, I had no idea that what's the difference between Bollywood and South film industry. So I came across this Magadhira on YouTube and I loved it. And then I think in the related and suggested links, I got movies of Allu Arjun. And so I was familiar with the South film industry while being in Pakistan. But I had no concept what industry is this or, but I was like a fan of, I think the first person I was a fan of was Allu Arjun.
Allu Arjun, okay.
So when I came here and then he told me about other movies, I was just blown away.
You're the scene, the movie and the scene that's
So-
crazy about.
So I think I was expecting, and those days her mother was also here, and he's like, you just have to watch this movie. Just watch the first 40 minutes.
Okay.
And I'm like, okay, fine. I know I watch South movies, but not all of them are very fascinating. You know, you have to be choosy and all that. He's like, just watch it. This is from where I got addicted. So I watched the movie, Ajit's movie, Vedalam.
Mm.
Okay, so I'm literally cutting some vegetables or something and I'm watching and I'm very bored and I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. When that iconic Vedalam scene comes,
Scene, right? I'm like,
and I'm like,
and
I am literally, my mouth is open and I'm like, what it just happened. So then I was actually hooked, and I actually showed that movie to all my cousins.
I think she has made at least some 50-100 Pakistanis addicted to South Indian movies. I should nowadays I'm not even joking. Her brother from Pakistan WhatsApps me, "Bhai, koi acha movies batana na South Indian wale."
And my
And I
cousin,
am like,
and my cousin
okay,
also,
okay.
and everybody, and like some movies are like, what was that movie of
Stop.
of that guy, this Maddie and some other guy,
Madhavan,
Vikram and Veda.
Vikram
Vikram
Vedha.
and Veda.
Vikram Vedha.
Have you seen?
Yes, yes.
What a movie! What a movie! I mean, like, I can go on and on about. So when he tells
She
me,
loves Madhavan also. She's like, she watches Madhavan's movies and
I love
Listen.
I love Vikram. I love Ajit. I love Allu Arjun.
Vijay.
I love Vijay. Who's that
Talapati.
guy with the mustache? No, the other without the mustache. The song that we danced to, the Malayalam song.
Dulquer Salman.
Dulquer Salman. She
Oh.
loves. So my mother thinks I look like Dulquer Salman.
Every mother thinks like that about it. Gone too far, baby. Lucky,
And so she also loves Dulquer Salman a lot. Yeah.
Lucky,
My
come.
mother is a big fan of Dulquer Salman, and so she also like
When did you decide to do videos?
Actually, what happened is that I always wanted to do something in media because I've always been passionate about it. So when I came here, I met him. My destiny had another route, and also, so I decided that once we are settled and everything is good to go, I'll probably pursue here as an RJ or something. But then something amazing happened. We started kind of getting attention from people all around. Whether we are in a hospital, whether we are in a cafe, whether we are sitting in our house, whether anything else is happening. So people would always come and start asking us questions, and there will be people all around us. So once we started getting a lot of attention from people and everything, I'm like, why, if I want to do something in social media, I think this is the best. Because here, till now, it's 2020,
Right.
but till now, when people see our dynamics and this everything, they have so many questions, and they have so many myths, and it was just I just connected with people on this subject, actually, and I like this industry, and connecting with people.
She loves media industry.
Yeah, and talking, and so I was like,
that
this
is
is like the
another
best.
reason why I never forced her for a job, because I told her you should always do something that you love.
Yeah.
I never forced her to work because I was like, if you find something like an RJ or something in the media industry, then go ahead. Otherwise, don't force yourself. It'll kill you. It'll kill that spirit of yours. So that is why she still has that spirit alive. And
but then it was him. He came a long way because he was camera shy. He was not comfortable with this. But I'm like, see, listen. Now, unfortunately, this is what I want to do. I want us to be the odd house, because literally people came to our house and they were like, you guys are awkward yet brilliantly entertaining. It's awkward, but it's amazing. So from there, I got it. This is actually a real person's comments that I translated into
you guys
our
are
name.
awkward but entertaining.
So I'm like, fine, yes, we are odd, and it just blends. We are the imperfect, perfect sort of a couple, and I accept it, and it's amazing, and that's what I love about.
One channel actually took our interview and he posted. Of course, he had a big fan following, but our video got like 2 million hits like in 2 days.
2 days, yeah.
And then a lot of people, all my old colleagues and stuff, they started getting back to me, and
not
like,
just because
you
of,
guys should get online, man. And I was like, yeah, okay.
yeah, I think, but more, the most what I loved about is the response of people. how
Yeah.
they welcomed us.
Yeah.
You know, like when people from Pakistan see, normally you are also probably in UAE for a long time. You won't know a lot of social media people from Pakistan. You won't, and vice versa also. But when those people come to know him through me and they fall in love with him and vice versa,
So
that
I want to say
feeling
this. I want to
is
say this. This
beautiful.
is amazing. Actually, so a lot of Pakistanis came to me, nahi yaar, tu Malbari nahi hai. And I'm like, मैं who? I'm like, nahi. I'm like, they who? Acha. And so they started being like, okay, maybe you guys are not so bad. You guys can be friends as well, right? So
Yeah.
so kind of like breaking those mental barriers.
Barriers that is
Yeah.
there.
Basically, the feeling that we get from people from both the countries, and when people from across the country actually connects with you, I found that beautiful.
Yeah.
So that's what your
It-
motivation is basically.
Yes, that's my motivation. When people from Pakistan connect with him and ask him all the questions, and all about his country, his culture, and then how he found my culture, and then vice versa. People from India and Kerala talk to me and ask me all these questions. That bond, when everybody is like on the same platform, talking on that same platform, I don't think anybody or anywhere else I've seen that.
So
And
it's that distance is getting reduced, right? Even for me, I saw you guys in TikTok and that's how I contacted you. So because
Yeah.
you took that effort is why we are speaking right now.
Yeah,
Even though
thank you
the
so
governments do not want both countries to be together, I think
Yes.
the social media and this current movement is bringing people together.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
inspiration is basically
Yeah.
when we see both the people on the same platform talking to us. Brilliant. The feeling is like, I'm speechless. I don't have words to that emotion. And if people get help or get inspiration or a positive positivity that since we are married, we have a kid. It's not just some fling and we are just,
And it's
trying
not newly married.
Yeah, and yes, and it's not newly married as well.
Yeah.
So I think if all of that kind of converges at one point,
So
so
I think this is that part of that love story. So all the love stories they'll show you till you get married and then they say they lived happily ever after. So
Correct.
this is part two of that, right? So
Yes.
Yeah.
showing your life after 5 years and saying you're still fine, you're still in love,
They're fine.
everything is fine.
yeah, yeah,
And,
yeah.
and we've
So-
gone through all kinds of ups and downs, all kinds.
Yeah, we are not
different climates.
Yeah, no, we are not even presenting it like, oh my God, no, we are like this perfect. Oh my honey boo boo, my no.
Yeah, we have gone through so many struggles.
Everybody fights. In
so
fact,
many
if you don't
issues.
fight, that's an issue.
So I mean, if we start depicting the struggles, it's another level. We've gone through so many struggles, and so much of pain. But that's the beauty of marriage: is people are not ready to accept. Today's world, everyone only wants good.
Correct.
They're not ready to accept the pain. That's an issue. But
They're not ready
are
to
trying to be
take the effort in getting the final result. They're like how you mentioned earlier. It's all short term, right? They
Yeah.
put in a little bit of effort and they want the entire thing. Like they do not accept the fact that life after marriage is actually a roller coaster ride. You may not enjoy the
Yeah.
ride,
Yes.
but you
Yes.
love the experience.
But you're in it with your partner, and you should be compassionate. You should be
Understanding.
patient. You should be patient enough. You should, thoda.
So like with this whole social media on the rise, which is a positive, relationships their power strength has gone on the low because people have lost that connectivity. But so we're trying
Yeah,
to spread
so
some
I
positivity,
was so yeah, I wanted to spread this message in different, because we
80s romance, old school, sergeant types.
yeah, and it's not all good and all roses and all
Yeah.
green and everything. We this is how we are in normal life as
Yeah.
well. We fight, we are like, we don't let each other talk. We
She's
are
let
like,
me talk. Yes.
yeah, so this is like this is how we try to depict in our videos as well, and the the future videos that we have planned, we would like to keep it the same way. Not over dramatized, not
I mean, I am a bit over dramatic, but I am over dramatic.
he is. Oh my God. God
That
save
is,
me. I
that is
don't
there
miss,
in the blood. You can't help it.
I
You're
don't
coming
miss
from Kerala.
I don't miss Bollywood. I am
Comedy.
married.
Hello, not Bollywood. This is Mollywood.
Malayalam film industry. We're from God's own country, country.
Yes, country.
No, I'm saying that what you are doing right now is you spreading love, you uniting two fronts that has been, I wouldn't say fighting for so long, but which has been distanced for so long. And it's nothing less than you being a superhero right now. So thank you for being
That is
awesome,
so
both of
sweet
you
of
guys.
you. That is so sweet of you. And it was a pleasure talking to you and wish you also all the success.
I wish you. I love your concept, and I'm
Yes,
very
wish
sure
you
that you
all
also.
the best.
And then we both will be successful someday.
Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
we start.
So guys, this is Fariha.
This is Zohair.
We are the Odd Halves and you are watching us on Aam Aadmi Podcast.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much,
Thank
guys.
you so much, Kevin.
Thank you, Kevin. We love you.
Thank you very much.